Happy Monday, everybody. It is great to see you. We haven't done this in far too long. I know at one point I had talked about that we were going to do the second half of the workout on a regular basis, and I just totally lost track of being able to do that. So we are back to do the second half of the workout tonight and got lots of friends joining me, which is awesome. We're going to do primary back stretch real quick to get ourselves nice and warmed up, and then we're launching straight in from there. Just a reminder for you guys, you will get a coupon code as a part of this class for a 1-week free rental or $10 off the full digital download. So you get that class money put towards a full download. Let's go ahead and get started. Now that our legs are nice and tired, we're going to do some balance. And the reason why we do them in this sequence is because balance is not as much about our legs as we think. It's really about our core. What creates our balance is our core. From rib to hip, the ability to, as one of my dance teachers used to like to say, tie the luggage down is what gives us our balance. So we want our legs to be tired to force these small stabilizer muscles all the way along our spine and at our hip joints to do their job to give us balance. Check that toe. Make sure it's straight ahead at midnight. Bend those knees. Belly button the spine. Very, very key, important to really tuck that tailbone under, pulling that pelvis towards the belly button. Ribs up. Lace those shoulders. Inhale, hunch. Reach out on the exhale with that hand, and you can flip the heel of the hand away and pull the knuckles back. Other hand goes on the hip or in the pocket if you prefer. Push those ribs up. Get your balance. Bend that knee. Release this other foot. Twist that toe in so you're pigeon-toed. You're lifting to the side with your heel. Here we go. Lift. 2. Tuck. 4. Hold there. Bend, tuck, ribs up. If you need to touch down, that's okay. Lift that knee up front. Drop down. Kick to the side and up. 2. Kick to the side and up. 3, kick to the side and up. 4, kick to the side and up. Again, you can touch down if you need to. We're going to bring that same foot behind, and you're making that T in the other direction. So you got your front foot and your back foot. Square the shoulders as much to the front as you can. Tuck that butt. Hand comes in the front for counterbalance. Again, I'm going to give you a visual right here. Pull the shoulder back. So keep that shoulder in alignment. Don't let it hunch forward. Tucking, reaching, get your balance, and toe to the side. 2, 3, 4. Now point and flex. 2, 3, 4. Good job. Foot's going to come straight up in front. Hand goes back out to the side. Other hand comes in front for balance because we're going to swing back. I'm going to give you a visual on this side. As you swing back, this hand is counterbalance. Tuck, reach out with those laces. Flex the foot at the top. Point it in the back and flex. Point it and 2. Point it and 3. Point it and 4. Press and down. Soft knee. Lat press. Press, 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 like you're moving mud down and up. One more, nice and slow. Press and down. Press. Now let's speed it up for 4. Press. 1. Press. 2. Press. 3. Press. 4. Reach out. Other side. Very good. Toe forward. Bend. Belly button spine, tuck that tailbone under, really rounding that low back. Push those ribs up. Inhale, hunch. Reach out with that hand on the exhale. Get your balance. Twist that toe in. And here we go to the side. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Press, press, press. Bringing that knee up. You can touch down if you need to. Reset. Up. Down, to the side, pull up, 2 to the side, pull up, 3 to the side, pull up, 4 and pull up to the back, bringing that hand in front. Again, you can touch if you need to. 90-degree angle, tuck, ribs up, reach away. Here we go. Back, 2, 3, 4, and point. 2, 3, 4, back to the front, hands to the side, foot up, swing it out, flex, point and flex, point and flex, point and flex, point, and we did it. Press, lifting that tired leg and up, press and up, press, and speed it up for 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and reach out. Fantastic job, you guys. Any questions? I know we don't get to do this part of the workout very often.
You got a pen I can use?
It was great. Thank you.
Well, fantastic work. I'm so glad we got to do this. Don't forget, we still need ideas for next week. Also, make sure and let me know for the 21st. It's several days before Christmas. We're all doing this virtually anyway. If you guys are going to be available for class, I don't mind having another excuse to work out for sure. And if not, we have our final Monday freebie on the 28th as well. So nice job. Thanks so much to everybody for the suggestions and the enthusiasm for doing this. I'm going to go ahead and get this video loaded for you guys overnight. So Tuesday morning, you have your replays, or if you want the full download, you can get that as well. And don't forget to keep it moving, living and thriving. Have a great week, you guys.
Fiona.
Hey.